All right, yo, how y'all doing? This is Soul Trades, and today I'm gonna be going over my trade recap for today. Today is January 30th, 2025, and I just recorded a video like a minute ago about yesterday's trade since I didn't post a recap. So, what ended up happening is I'm gonna explain this shit to you without like trying to make excuses, all right? So here's what happened. Um, come into the market open right here. So look, let me talk about my bias real quick. So before this big candle down, it's pretty bullish over here. As you can see, um, market already started going up. We sweep the London session highs, and then I was really looking for shorts after it swept the London session highs, you can see right here. Alright, so market opened. We went down a little bit, swept this liquidity, went back up, swept the London highs right here. And then at this time, I was really in the hallways and shit, like at school. So I couldn't like take my phone out in the hallway and trade because like my school like has like a phone policy and shit. So I couldn't really trade this move right here. I'll mark this out literally in second period, and then at 9:50, we were like in class. No, I don't remember. It was like 9:55 or something, where we started like going from a class to another class, right? So where I was in the hallway, I'll mark this out in second period is what I remember. It dropped down, disrespected it, and I was really just looking for a retracement back to this for a retrace of this 1 minute inverse relay gap, as you could see. I didn't mark it out. But yeah, at that time right here, when I marked it out, it was really just a fair value gap, thinking what was gonna happen. But it turns out it was a inverse, and then I was really just looking for a retracement, stops above this candle right here, thinking to catch a trade. Well, I missed it, as you hear. Also right here, it broke structure. So, and then in my third period, I was pretty mad that I missed this entry. So I ended up taking a trade right here, which I ended up losing. And this was a really bad trade, not even gonna lie. So, as you can see, it's going down. I'll mark up this 1 minute fair value gap. And then I ended up buying here. And then I also get stopped out with the same candle. So, what ended up happening was, here, let me mark this high out. So, this candle was about to close in like 3 seconds, right? So, as soon as it closed, I literally just bought. Right? As soon as it closed, I bought. Why? Because it was green the whole time, so it went down, went back up, so it was white, or you could say like green the whole time. So it was like right here about when market close, when the candle closed. So it was like three, two, one, and then once the timer hit one, I literally just bought. Ended up getting this ended up closing under, so we didn't have a breaker structure, and we were also in a 1 minute fair value gap, so I could have really just traded this once it hit the middle line. Could have took a short and won, but this was a really bad dump trade. Um, yeah, it was really a mistake. Just waiting, and then I get stopped out with the same exact candle because I had my stop loss below. So thinking that it's gonna break structure, stop loss right here, and then the target would have been right here. That's what I was trying to target. And yeah, I ended up losing 429. But I'm still in profit of how much? Let's see. What's the account balance, bro? Where do you see this shit at? I'm new to this. Yeah, current. So I'm up 177 on the whole account. For now. But yeah. So one win and then two losses. But my win is bigger than my two losses, so I'm still in profit. But yeah. Really looking forward for tomorrow. Also today we had news, but that really barely impacted the market. But yeah. Tomorrow I might trade since I don't even know because there's CPI, but I'm most likely trading after since it's at not 8:30. So it depends on how it affects the market. But yeah, pretty goofy dumb trade today. But yeah, so I just learn from my mistakes from these videos and that's why I make them. And yeah, see ya in the next trade recap, boys.